Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to APSEX online sport program. I am Shokan Nasir from Almond Public School Boys Branch, Sialkot Kent, Senior Secondary. Today is Thursday, 21st May 2020, and this is second week. Dear students, first recap of the previous lesson, book page number 1670. In the previous lesson, we solved a problem number 11. Find the sum of even numbers up to 100. Sum is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 8 up to so on to 100. We planned the solution. Input, output required, processing. Then we developed the algorithm for this problem. अब देख सकते हो कि हमने किस तरह से इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व किया, किस तरह इस मैथमेटिकल प्रॉब्लम का एल्गोरिथम डेवलप किया. द मेन थिंग यू शुड कीप इन माइंड द प्रोसेसिंग प्रोसेस. एड ऑल इवन नंबर फ्रॉम 2 to 100. आई होप you understood this concept. In the second question, in the last session, the question was on book page number 17th. Problem number 12. Print a multiplication table of a given number. कोई आपसे कहा जाए, someone tells you to print a table of any number, then how will you develop an algorithm for this table? The number may be 2, 6, 10, 15, 20 or even 100. The process will be the same. We will discuss few points regarding about this previous lesson. Processing, initialize a variable to 1 and print its product with the given number. Increment the variable by 1. Every time the variable is increment by 1, k plus 1, and print the product. Continue the process till printing the product of 12 and the given number. उस वक्त तक हमने प्रिंट करना है जब तक हमारी ये रिक्वायर्ड प्रोसेसिंग जो है मेट नहीं करती अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स को. आप देख सकते हो ये चेक द वैल्यू ऑफ के इन द स्टेप 6 योर वैल्यू इज चेक्ड. नो डियर स्टूडेंट, open book page number 17 and 18. By the end of this lesson, student will be able to write algorithm to convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius scale. You know, you had already studied in your 9th class physics book that in the unit of heat and temperature, that temperature, there are various temperature scales, Fahrenheit and Celsius. These are the two names of scientists, physicists. These two scales, Fahrenheit and Celsius, interconvertible to one another. There is another temperature scale, that is the Kelvin scale. But we will study today how to convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius by developing an algorithm. Then in the last, we will see and solve to find factorial of a given number. What is factorial? We will talk about later in this session. Now boys, open book page number 17 and 18. Problem is problem number 1313. Convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. किस तरह हमने टेम्परेचर को Fahrenheit में Celsius से चेंज करना है. Planning the solution. Input the temperature in Fahrenheit. First we will get the input temperature in Fahrenheit because our problem is conversion from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Then output required temperature in Celsius. Processing क्या होगी? Compute the temperature in Celsius from Fahrenheit using conversion formula. I already told you there are conversion formulas in your 9th class physics book to convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius, Celsius to Fahrenheit, from Celsius to Kelvin, from Kelvin to Celsius, etc. Algorithm for this problem. Start step 1. Let the temperature in Fahrenheit F be 100. हमने कंसिडर किया दैट टेम्परेचर F will be is equal to 100. स्टेप 2 कैलकुलेट टेम्परेचर इन सेल्सियस सी। हमने टेम्परेचर को कैलकुलेट करना है सेल्सियस सी में अकॉर्डिंग टू अ फिजिक्स फार्मूला C is equal to 5 divided by 9 multiplied by F minus 32. Here F is temperature in Fahrenheit. Put value of F 100 in this formula and calculate. The temperature C will be calculated here. Then stop. So in this question we see how to convert the temperature from Fahrenheit to the Celsius scale. Now problem number 14. Find factorial of a given number. अब factorial क्या होता है? Basically factorial is a mathematical term. In detail or depth we will study or you will study in your class first year. But here is just a very small look. Factorial. What is factorial? Factorial is a mathematical term. Basically आपकी कैलकुलेटर में अगर आप देखो तो आपको कैलकुलेटर में आपको इस तरह का एक बटन नजर आएगा. अगर आप ऐसे प्रेस करते हो 2 फैक्टोरियल आपको समझा दे तो मैं फैक्टोरियल क्या होता है. देयर इज अ बटन लाइक दिस इन योर कैलकुलेटर दैट इज कॉल्ड अ फैक्टोरियल. हाउ वी कैन फाइंड द फैक्टोरियल? 2 फैक्टोरियल मीन 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. 4 factorial mean we start multiplication of 4 from 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24. So the factorial of 4 will be 24. This is the method to find the factorial of a number. But here we have to develop an algorithm to find the factorial of a number. How we will develop an algorithm to find the factorial of a number? Input given number, required output factorial of a number, given number, any number 2, 3, 4, 5, anything. Processing, find the product of all the number from 1 to the given number. Algorithm is step 1 start, let the number n be 5. हमने डिस्कस कर लिया कि नंबर n क्या है, 5 है. Step 2 initialize loop, variable k and factorial f 200. First k is equal to 1 and f is equal to 1. Then step 3 calculate the product f multiplied by k. Important step. Step 4 increment k by 1. Every time we are increasing the value of k by 1. Step 5 check the value of k. If k is less than or equal to n, then go to step 3. Then हम आ जाएंगे step 3 के ऊपर. Otherwise go to step. Otherwise हम क्या कहाँ चले जाएंगे? Step number 6 के ऊपर यहाँ से move कर देंगे. Output f. Then in the last stop. This is the method to find the factorial of a given number. Recap of the lesson. Today we learned, I teach you to convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius, then to find factorial of a given number. Factorial is a new concept to you, so prepare it by heart. Written work, book page number 16 and 16. Question is 17 and 18. Problem number 13 and problem number 40. You have to prepare the problem number 13 and 40 and also write in your copies. But dear student, I hope you understood this session or the concept given to you in this session. If you feel any problem, you can contact me. Especially you have to more concentrate in the term factorial because this is a new to you. Thanks for joining. Hope to see you again. Until then, Allah Hafiz.